friends, good morning. What will we do when we have the fear in our mind? Most of the time we give up the what we are doing. Sometimes we ask to our colleague or nearby what to do. Sometimes we take the pressures and it causes the damage to your body. So the basic thing is the fear, and we have to fear to this fear only. So my friends, today's topic is the only thing we have to fear is the fear itself. These are the words by 32nd American President Franklin Roosevelt in his campaign to the presidential election. He has used against the Hoover, and he has used his personal charm to keep the persons at a distance or the people at the distance. He was very much straightforward, and he told that if you want to come out of the fear, you have to avoid the fear. You have to face that fear. The facing to the fear is the only solution to avoid or to get rid of the fear. Now, if you are having the fear of failure, how you can avoid? You have to face that what you want to do. Then only you can realize that you can do it or not do it. And if when you realize that you don't do, then you have to take the remedy. Remedy is the solution, not the fear is the solution, my friends. So if you want to remove the fear, you have to keep in mind some subject, visualize the happy place, then you have to reward yourself, then you imagine the worst, then you look at the evidences, and then only you will see that there is no fear with you. And when we see some successful people, they look after the evidences, or they are looking after the all the things which are behind that fear. So one thing I will give, when I was having this MBA exam, that time I was having the fear that I will be, because I am working and I am doing the MBA also part time. There was very tremendous confusion in mind what to do. But lastly I have came across that fear. I had completed my that studies with taking the leave from the company or office, and I have given that examination, and I was got the good marks. So facing the fear or taking the confidence is the only way. So my friends, if you like this video, like, share and comment. Bye bye.